All right, it's time to pretty much test the battery. So when testing the battery, you want to make sure it holds 12 volt charge, and you're gonna want one of these multimeters. You can get cheap ones again at Harbor Freight, or I like to rely on better brands or something a lot more, useful. So get a good multimeter. But like again, if you're starting off, get the cheap one from Harbor Freight. It's like 10 bucks, maybe even free sometimes. I can't remember if I got the first one for free when I first started. I believe it was free. And check whether the battery will hold a 12 volt charge. Right now we are pushing around, let's see. It's very unstable. I bet you it's probably not gonna even hold a 12 volt charge right now. Oh, why is it being all weird? Just make sure. I don't know if you can see it from there. Let's see if I can angle this. Alright. On the DC side, red goes to the red terminal, black goes to the negative terminal. I'm gonna tell you that battery is 100% dead, just based upon this. Show you an accurate one. Let's just go to my other bike, which has a brand new battery in it. So face this way. Put the multimeter here. Let's see. That one will show 12 volts. 12.9 volts. And it's a good battery. The other one is too finicky. More than likely, guys, like I said, the battery's dead. And in that kind of case, what's the next thing you want to do? It's making sure that the motor is not seized in one of these bikes. That would not be a good day when buying a bike. And sometimes people who sell bikes to you will lie to you, saying that nothing was ever wrong with the bike. So you want to hook it up, making sure that the batteries are actually, or at least the motor spins. And the motor spinning meaning it's not seized up. You're gonna attach the lines, avoid touching each other obviously. Red and positive will blow out that battery, so don't let them touch each other. And put it on negative. It's a little harder with these kind of terminals because the terminals are not as big as a car battery would be. Can you attach these and jump a car? Or I mean, can you jump a bike with a car battery? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. As long as they're both 12 volts, you'll be fine. If one is not 12 volts, don't do it. You don't want to blow up one or the other battery. All right, just checking it again. Nothing's touching. You want to make sure that the red is not touching the frame. This is all plastic. This is the frame right here, so it's not touching that. All right, turn this guy around real quick. You can see it turn on. Bam. So battery is, there's power to it right now. And let's just try to crank it. You try to crank it, if the motor is spinning and there's no air issues right there, it will spin freely. I like to hold the clutch in case the light is a false neutral light, in case it wanted to jerk forward, but hear that? That means the motor is good. Motors are more than likely good. It's not seized, not stuck. If it were stuck and you press that thing and it just tries to push, but it won't push, like it won't spin the motor, like that weird whirling noise, then you're more than likely have a seized motor. And if you have a seized motor, I highly recommend you don't even buy the bike. So I'm not trying to actually start this bike up. Reason being, because I don't want to actually be running old fuel into the system, which is inside this tank. Another quick test. If you really wanted to test out the bike, make sure it runs just fine, get one of these. It's engine starter fluid. The engine starter fluid will allow the bike to literally fire up off just the starter fluid for a brief moment in time. And you want to find the air box. And on this case, whew, dusty. Where's the air box located? Just right behind this this bike. Oh man, I wonder if there's an easier way to get to it. Let me actually find the air box inlet component. I want to say it's right here, but super dusty.